Today, we're gonna make a GoPro mount for a helmet. Now, yeah, there's a lot of GoPro mounts out there, but the problem I have is getting the GoPro right where I want it. The limited hardware options available make it really hard to put a camera right here on the helmet. Now, I've spent some time working in film, and one of the things that we use is friction arms. These awesome little friction arms have one single knob, which loosens every joint of the entire thing, and it locks with one turn. And it is capable of holding a substantial amount of weight. So with a simple GoPro mount to 1/4" 20, we can put that on a friction arm, and now the friction arm can move our camera anywhere we want in our helmet. But you may be thinking, how do you mount the actual friction arm to the helmet? This is a 1/4" 20 screw, and this needs to thread into something. And that is what we're gonna build today. The mount works great and you can put the camera in almost any position. Think about some of the wild shots that you can get having a camera mounted like this. You can do a face-on shot, you can put it where I want to have it on the chin, you can do a side profile shot through the glass of the helmet. I do have a few notes if you're thinking about making this build. One, I would use a moldable putty instead of the 3M double-sided tape that I use, because it will fill the contours of the metal bracket and the helmet better. Two, you don't need a welder to weld the two pieces of metal together. You can use JB Weld instead, which is probably a little bit easier for those who don't have the skills or the tools required. Three, you may be wondering why I didn't use a GoPro mount on the helmet, adapt that to my friction arm, which then adapts back to a GoPro mount. I like 1/4" 20 because it adapts to pretty much all the gear I have. That means I can mount other cameras, I can mount lights, any accessories that I want if I need to. Additionally, having the 1/4" 20 mount means we have one less part for failure. All the links for the items that I use in this video are in the description, so please check them out. Thanks for watching. Be wild and be crazy.